In this lesson, we will learn about service in the room. Before you go to the room, make sure to check if you have taken all the required crockery, cutlery, food and accompaniments with you. That way you will not need to make a repeat visit. This video is part of the course on room service phrases and has been made by the team at Hoteltutor.com. If you have not yet seen the previous 2 lessons, the link can be found below in the description box. If you are studying on our website Hoteltutor.com, the link to the previous lesson will be on the sidebar. Over to you, Jay, to explain how to handle room service order in the room.
Knock on the door and announce room service. When the guest opens the door, say, "Good afternoon, Mr. Karthik, may I enter the room? My name is Jay and I have brought your order." Ask the guest where you should place the tray. Most guests will ask you to keep it on the writing desk or the table. "Mr. Karthik, where shall I place the tray for you? Would you like me to arrange the food on the table for you, sir?"
No, that won't be necessary.
"Thank you, sir. Just reconfirming your order. Your order is butter chicken, steamed rice, roti and dal. I have also brought 2 plates and cutlery since it is an order for 2 people.
Look at the opportunity to upsell while in the room also. That way you can increase the revenue in room service.
"Sir, I just realized that you have not ordered any dessert. Our Shahi Tukada is a very popular dessert. If you wish, I can order it for you and bring it in 20 minutes.
Okay, I would like that.
Is there anything else I can get for you, Mr. Karthik?
No.
May I request your signature on the check? Thank you."
Sometimes, the guest may prefer to settle the amount in cash. In such a case, do thank the guest and say you will come back with the change. Never assume the balance is a tip.
Enjoy your meal, sir. Please do call room service extension for clearance, or I can come back in 45 minutes to clear the tray from the room.
Thank you. I will call the room service extension.
Okay, so in this lesson you learned how to handle the communication in the room. Now your hotel might have some variations to this. Do ask your manager for the correct script so that you can deliver properly. If your hotel does not have one, please do follow this so that you can wow your guest. See you in the next video.